Hi, welcome to 10 Times. In this video, we will be understanding about the feature of marketing and campaign on Odash. Onto the left-hand side of your dashboard, you would find marketing and campaign. Under marketing and campaign, you just need to go and select marketing campaign. Under marketing campaign, you have filters available to target your audience by choosing keywords, industry, and preferred location. So here, after choosing the preferred industry, keywords, and preferred location, you can just apply. After applying, you would be able to see the market size of the targeted sections. Also, if you scroll more down onto the same of marketing and campaign, you would find email campaign. Here, after clicking on email campaign, you would be landing onto the page shown here. Here, all you need to do is you need to choose the targeted industry, targeted locations, for example, local, zonal, global, preferred country. Here, you need to choose the country name, preferred zone, you need to choose the zone. After that, choose the event for which you wish to use your credit. Here, if you go onto the right hand side, you would be able to see the available credit balance. After choosing the selected event, you need to choose whom do you wish to send the invites to. If it's for visitors, one credit is one visitor invite. After choosing the number of credits you wish to redeem, for example 500, you would be able to click on send now if you wish to send out the invites right now, or click on schedule later. After scheduling or send now, you need to click on send invites. Once you have clicked on send invites, you would be able to send out the invites. Please remember, for sharing exhibitor invites, which is 10 credits equals to one exhibitor invite, and then choosing the number of credits and option of sending right now or later, you need to first go onto the content section and then to the exhibitors section. Here, you need to update the exhibitor profile. For example, you want the exhibitors from food and beverage industry. So you need to choose food and beverage, then hospitality if you want the exhibitors from, and then save the changes. Only after choosing the exhibitor profile, please go and choose the exhibitor credits that you wish to share and invite more exhibitors to your event. Also, if you see and you want to check the campaign report of the credits used to send out invites to exhibitors or visitors, all you need to do is go onto the top of your dashboard and click onto the credits option, wherein you would also be able to see the number of credits available. Here onto the credits section, you would also be able to send more invites from. Once you're under the credits section, you would be able to see your marketing credits, floor check ins. Also, you would be able to download or view the reports of the credits used. For example, the visitor invites that I have used, the other exhibitor, or any other invite. Also, please remember for sending invites, you can also go under the credits, go onto marketing credits, and click on send invites. From here, also, you would be able to share the marketing credits for exhibitor and visitors. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the email campaign and marketing and campaign section. Thank you.